So that was 1 years of preparation that I did for product management. 1 year of reading, videos, courses, bookmarks, people's portfolios, courses, boot camps, documentaries, product case competitions, different fellowships, different sort of a lot of different things. So I just put all of it. The story of Product Manager MBA dates back to a year ago. When I was in Bangalore, I was just trying to build Audify at that point of time, the startup that I spoke about in my previous video. And when I was doing that, I just had some free time over the weekends and stuff like that. I wanted to build something which is more like helping and giving back to the community. So at that point of time, I was like building a lot of digital products. I got into product management. I did a couple of internships. So what I did was like I went to my bookmarks and history, and I got all those product management resources that helped me get into product management. So that was 1 years of preparation that I did for product management. 1 year of reading, videos, courses, bookmarks, people's portfolios, courses, boot camps, documentaries, product case competitions, different fellowships, different sort of a lot of different things. So I just put all of it into a Notion document, and the Notion document used to look like this. And after some time, I started realizing that I tried to launch it, but I didn't launch it, and I understood that in a Notion document, it's not the best way to serve to beginners or someone who are learning product management for the first time deserve a better sort of learning experience. So I went on to build this product known as Product Management MBA, and I built it on top of an LMS. So what an LMS is and how you can do this course and things like that, we'll be discussing as we go deeper into this video. And this is what I launched on Product Hunt a couple of days ago. So I just made some descriptions and launched it to the community on Product Hunt. So there are a lot of discussions that happened on this product. I'm just trying to show you the level of research, the level of understanding that went into building this product, how people are appreciating this product as a whole. So I just wanted to show this to you so that you take this with more seriousness and you try to complete this one single course that will get you into product management, right? So this product got almost 300 upvotes, 54 comments, and it was number 3 product of the day with 343 followers on the day of launch, right? So let's get into what exactly Product Management MBA is. It's a perfect starting point for people who want to get started into product management. It's a single curated course where there you have different modules taught by different sort of creators on different platforms, and I've just curated and brought everything that's great on web in product management into one full package where you can make the most out of all these resources. So we go from the first module, which is Product 101, which is everything basic, everything like what is product management, how is it different, the experiences of product managers who have had 20-30 years of experience distilling in just one video and trying to show you and help you visualize what the product management role as a whole is actually like. And then we go into product growth, product tools, technology for product managers, design for product managers. Then we go into building portfolios, resume building, and then we have cracking interviews and many more. There are a lot of basically research that went into this product management MBA. I've spent like hundreds of hours of my own time learning from these resources, doing these research and putting this together for you all. So let's get right into it. And this is the Product Management MBA course that you can take, and I'll leave the link to the Product Management MBA course in the description below. You will find it in the description, and you can directly click and take this course. So I'll go through a little bit about Product Management MBA and share why you should take this and how is it going to help you. So if you see here, these are all the modules that are there. The only course you need to get started in product management career. This will act as a starting point. This will basically help you boost your career and at least get your step in the door for product management. So 1,000+ students have taken this. There are tens of people whom have personally referred, and they got placed at different places in different sort of product roles at different companies. And if you see, this is a self-paced course for aspiring PMs. This is not live. This, you can do this at your own pace, and you have different sort of videos in an LMS format where you can track your progress and watch these videos inside the course. And you have 10 plus modules. As I said, you have all these modules in a very curated fashion. You can learn it without any distraction, and if you master all these modules, it's very certain that you have already got your first gig in product management, be it internship or full-time opportunity. You have a lot of modules. I'll show you, go through each of these modules. To give you the best product management MBA, I also collaborated with a friend of mine who is Pranay Gaddam, who is an aspiring product manager. We both sat together to also understand the beginner's point of view, and he also helped me with a lot of design aspects, putting this together and helping with the launch. Right, and then you can read on the website what other students are telling, and there are a lot of people who have acted as an editor for this course and give me feedback. Even you can read what these people have to say about the whole experience, right? So let's go right into it. Let's just click on enroll and see what all you can find here. So this is 27 hours of content. You have all these modules. You can product management 101. You have readings, you have documents, you have videos, you have links, everything. You can check out all of this even before enrolling for this course. Once you enroll for this course, you can click on start. Of course, I've logged in, so you will get a Google login that you need to do. And once you do that, you'll get into this immersive experience. So quick note here, you can even turn on dark mode. You can even basically skip the videos if you like to, but I would recommend going through these videos in a ordered manner. So you can go into each of these videos, and your progress is tracked. So you can basically track your progress and go through all of these videos. And once you do, there are a lot of modules in here. So you can go into each of these ones. I've added a couple of bonuses as well from my YouTube channel, and you also have a section where you can book a one-on-one call with me. So if you have any doubts that you want to personally ask me, you can do it as well. And I've also included a community of sorts. I've been building this for some time now. You can join the community and you can stay updated with things that I share and all the resources at the earliest, right? So why you should take this course, right? There are a lot of courses on the internet. The first thing, it's a very comprehensive course. So I've included 2 years of my product management learning to distill and make this one course. So if you are doing this course, you are not losing out on anything. I mean, you're covering most of the things that you would need to get your first internship or product management job. You will never have to look anywhere else into any other resources to get your first gig. Of course, after you get your first gig, you might require to learn from a lot of different things, but at least for your first thing, for your first experience, this will take you from zero to getting to somewhere from where you will be able to self navigate yourself, right? And I'll just show you some of the numbers that this course has achieved, which will help you get more confidence on why you should take this. I'll just show you how many students have registered for this course. If you see, there are 817 students who have registered for this course in just first 48 hours. So you can see the level of the scale or the number of students who are taking this course. So all that I would say is like, it's a free course, it's a comprehensive course. It has everything that you need to get started into product management. You will not have to look anywhere else. Just take this, blindly follow the path for 27 hours of video content, and then you will tell me that this was the life changing or the career changing course that you have ever taken, right? So with this, I'll end this video. I hope you found this useful. I would really encourage you folks to share this resource with a lot of people, as many people as possible, because all I want to do with this thing, why I did this for free, is like, I already have gone through this experience of tiresome experience of learning what product management is, and I don't want the new aspiring product managers to waste a lot of time doing this. So just share this video with anyone who you think would benefit out of getting and learning about product management for the very first time. And if you did like this video, like it, and if you have any suggestions for me, drop it in the comments below. I'll personally read each and every one of them, and I'll try to reply to each of them in an appropriate manner. And if you like this sort of product management, personal finance, also careers in tech content, do subscribe to me, to this channel. I'm trying to grow and reach to as many people as possible, so that I can benefit more and more students, more and more millennials who are trying to learn and get to somewhere they would like to be. And with that, I will see you in the next one.